Alright guys, I'm back today with another Madden Mobile video. I'm going to be doing a 25k pack opening, and I'm going to talk about some subject, probably domination stuff. I just got the Aaron Rodgers MVP, because I got all the rings and stuff. So let's see what I got. Well, it doesn't look like anything. Pierre Thomas, he'll sell for something. Oh, sorry I didn't post yesterday, I just wasn't home at all. Of course, nobody good. 81 overall, Jared and Veld here. Pretty crappy. Alright, last pack. This is just a small pack opening. Oh, nobody good again. Imagine that. Alright, let's go. Let's sell some of these. Sell him for 4,000. Pierre Thomas for 3,500. I don't sell them really high, guys. I just want to try to get quick coins. That's what I usually do with most of them. Oh, hang on. Earlier today, I went and I went to sets because I had 5 silver players leftovers, and I put them in this pack right here. And I got Arian Foster out of it, 88 overall, 87 overall, but I have +2 awareness, so it makes him 88 overall out of this pack. It was so awesome. I wish I had it on video. Let's see what I got. Shamarko Thomas, of course, nobody good. Alright, then let's see how many bronze players I got. Okay, I have a lot of those. Put them in here. See if I can get enough silver players to do that one more time. See if I can get anybody good. Okay, didn't even know who I just got, but alright. 67, or I don't care. I usually sell these guys for 500 coins each. Looks like I have enough for one more. I just want to thank you guys. I already hit 19 subs in 4 days. I think that's pretty good with 163 views. Can't thank you guys enough. Alright, let's see if I can go in here and have enough for change it for a gold player. Yep, just enough. Good. I'll also show you guys my lineup. It's changed a little bit. Got a new running back, quarterback, a couple of new linemen. Come on, give me something good. Crap. Nobody good. Let's start putting my gold players in here. Get that elites. Alright. Oh, and I was just showing you guys, I just finished this earlier today. I got Aaron Rodgers. It's really, really good. I kept getting the same Patriots ring. I got it 4 times in a row. It was really frustrating me, but I finally got it. And then I've been doing these domination packs. I can't wait. I almost have the offensive one done. I've got throwing power 4 times. It's really irritating me. I just don't want to keep getting duplicates. I don't really pull too many defensive cards. Probably because this week it's offense, but I pull a couple like tackling I pulled earlier. But I already have it. And once I finish that, you get 99 overall Richard Sherman, and you get 50,000 coins. It's pretty cool. What else? No. I was gonna show you my lineup. My team. I might be posting another video like in an hour or so when this goes up. Just depends what goes on, but my new player, Aaron Rodgers, he's a beast. Throw power 94, which is really good. Awareness is really high. Strength kind of low though. His awareness is 89. Is really good. His elusiveness and strength is really low, but I really don't care because I don't scramble with him. I look at his throw power like Tom Brady. He's really good at it. Throw accuracy short 92. Throw accuracy middle 87. Throw accuracy deep 89. I usually end up throwing it deep just because like I said, I just got Arian Foster. He's I'd have to say one of the best gold players in all of Madden Mobile. I mean, I got him for just trading in 5 crappy silver players. It's awesome. I was freaking out. I wish I got my live reaction, but I didn't expect anybody good. 88 overall speed. 74 strength is kind of low. Agility is 88. Accelerations is 90. Awareness is 81. Carries 92. Elusiveness is 77. Then, this is what I love. Trucking is 90. And ball carrier vision is 95, which I love. Got a couple new linemen. Oh, I also pulled this guy out of a Game Changers. At the live event Game Changers. Super stoked. What else did I get? I think that. Oh yeah, and then you saw in my last video I pulled Sue. Pretty good, working pretty good. I haven't been doing season lately, but I think I'm gonna start back at it. I think I'm on the 4th season. Yeah, 3-1. Well, that's been it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. See ya.